Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this video. This is for both day one and day two because this is test week. It is so important that you are focusing during test week because here's what we got. Now, because of test week, that means we have some tests we need to take. So we are under week 8 and you take collections literacy assessment, the first test. This first test story is right here. So click to go to the passage here. Read before you take the test. There's 8 multiple choice questions there. For the second test, because it's an informational one, you have to scroll up and down a lot, it has the story in the directions. So those are not directions. This is the text that you read. Couple things you need to know. These numbers on the sides are paragraphs, not lines. As you can see, it has a lot more than one line for 26, so that's a paragraph. Also something weird, I didn't write this, but the person who did put the title at the very bottom. It is right here. In Africa, Decoding the Language of Elephants is our title. There are 12 multiple choice questions for this. Now, probably one of the most popular questions people ask me is, can I retake this? Yes. During Friday's lesson, we will go over how and why we do retakes the way that we do. They will be available from 1:45 to 3:25 next week. So just let me know. If you have any questions, holler at me. Whatever you need, I'm there for you. Love you. Have a good day.